Hey everybody, Gulf Coast DTC here. Got a quick unboxing review for you. Saw the thumbnail, you know what's up. So got a Urban EDC knife for you. So you get these little cards. Last few knives that I bought from them, they get these cards that say carry strong and thanks, and they have a different kind of specialty knife photo on there. Pretty neat. So see here that we got the EMP EDC Nymble T. This is the Sigiyaya, Sagajuia, you know, the wave pattern. So comes in a nice box. Yeah, it's pretty sweet, like a little micro pelican case, something. Yeah, so pretty neat. Alright, so a little born on card, I guess. So it's an LMAX steel, and looks like it was born on July 2023. Nice. Alright, so we get a little polishing cloth microfiber here. Yeah, with their logo on it, that's nice. Oh, and some stickers. Oh man, a few stickers. Awesome, I love stickers. Cool deal. Alright, so there's some spongy foam on the top of this thing. Some nice kind of velveteen material down here, and you can kind of see the knife there. Alright. Right. That's nice. Oh, I like that. It's a nice touch. So you got the little spacer there to protect the knife from the pocket clip there. That's cool. It's a nice touch. Wave pattern's nice. You got their little atomic logo right there and the pivot. Nice pocket clip. It's nice how the pocket clip kind of follows the lines of the knife right there, right? You got a nice little lanyard hold there for the lanyard hold people. Let's see, we'll get this thing out of here. Yeah, so that's a good looking knife. All right, so a bunch of ways to open this guy. I'm sure I'll mess up 2 or 3 of them, but okay. It's nice though, man. That blade's really nice. This kind of patterns always remind me of the Chavez kind of cut. It always makes the knife look really awesome in my eyes. And that's nice. All right, so liner lock. Let's see, are we gonna drop shutty? Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's nice. Okay, so it's nice. It's got some nice lockup to it. I will say again, with the Urban EDC pictures, I kind of thought it'd be a little bit bigger than this. That's what she said. But it is a good size. You know, you can hold it there. You can kind of see though that just back there by the pinky. Now you can choke up. You got this huge sharpening choil and finger area, so that's pretty nice because you can choke up on it and get your thumb right here on this jimping, which is nice. Say it's medium, you know, it's not real sharp, but you can tell it's there. It's good to get a grip on. Yeah, if you had to choke up and do some heavy duty stuff, you could. Let's get some size comparisons and see where we are on this guy. Here's a bug out. So you can see it's a little bit shorter than the bug out there. It's a Delica 4. And it's a little closer to the Delica 4 size, I think. Yeah, right in there. And then you can get some smaller guys. Here's a Here's a mini bug out. And I'll do a couple more. There's a mini Griptilian. And here's a Nast Lander. So you can kind of see where it is in here. Just bug out's pretty close. It's just a little bit short on the bug out there. I'd say yeah, you're more in the mini bug out territory here. But you can see it's a beefier knife, right? So you know, kind of more in this kind of size range, but a much beefier blade on it. It's, yeah, quite a bit beefier there. If it may not want to focus, but kind of, if I hide this stuff, yeah, you can see there it's a lot thinner. Thicker. It's a lot thicker than the Benchmades. And that blade steel. Yeah, that's a good looking knife for sure. Yeah, eventually. But definitely fidget friendly. It flies out quick. Yeah, that is just a sweet looking knife. Again, I don't know why every time I look at the titanium knives, I just think, man, anodizing would really go a long way on that. And maybe having a Mokutai clip on this, or nice blue color. Yeah, look good. Maybe even the green would be nice on that. So I got this from Urban EDC. I think they still have some. So they added in this, and it's also in black over there. I know there's a bunch of different kind of renditions of this style knife, and I've been wanting one for a while. And I remember they announced this quite a while ago with the wave pattern on it. And I'm just a sucker for that wave pattern. So when I saw this, I definitely had to have it. And nice because it doesn't seem like there was a huge run on them, so I think they're still available. You know, again, nice to see that it wasn't like a drawing or anything like that. And probably like a few of you, I'm still got my fingers crossed for that Monterey Bay. Haven't won that lottery yet, but I'm hopeful. We'll see if it's meant to be. Man, that blade is just nice looking. Got a little smudgy smudge on it though already. My greasy mitts. There we go. Yeah, that thing's really nice. You kind of see on the pattern, it's sometimes more prominent. I've seen in the Urban EDC knives that they offer with the wave pattern that sometimes the ends of these down here are holes. Like in this one, if it'll focus for me, you can see that those are like divots, like lasered out. So it's kind of cool. Definitely is a nice pattern. If you like the pattern, obviously. If you don't, then yeah, these videos are probably horrible for you. Like, oh man, that's terrible and ugly. But I really like it. I think it adds a nice touch to it. Really classes up the joint. Yeah, definitely a nice EDC size. So, you know, that's not something that's gonna be gigantic in your pocket. You know, it's not something that's gonna weigh you down a whole bunch, cause your shorts to sag or anything like that. But man, that's let me see. See if we can look inside there. Yep, looks like it's got some milling in there a little bit. You can kind of see there, those little window pieces in there is where they've milled out. And you can also see, it looks like they're numbered, so that's also cool too. So, well, it's hard to see in there, but it's number 34. There we go. That's nice. Backspace here is very smooth. That's very flush with the frame. That's nice. Nice to see that. Yeah, that thing just dropped shreddy right off the bat. Yeah, it's very well done. Yeah, I could definitely say that this is awesome. If they had it just slightly larger, it would be really nice too. Kind of got to get your thumb in the right position to grab some purchase on that, so definitely got to kind of flick it out that way to get a good flick on it with if you're used to thumb studs, but it can be done. It's nice. It's got a really solid snicked sound when it locks up. Yeah, it's really nice. Nice that it's not double-ended on the pivot, so you don't have to have two tools to try to take it apart if you need to run some maintenance on it. I also like that you can see that they took the pattern into the lock bar here, so that's a nice touch. Right where the lock bar is beveled, you can see that pattern starts. Everything on it's just really well done. You know, no sharp edges. Everything's very smooth. And I really like the satin finish, kind of, you know. And then you got kind of a, it's kind of hard to see here maybe, but you can see it almost has like a brushed finish up here. That's nice. Yeah, everything you can see, like even down where your fingers are going, it's nice and chamfered, so you've got a nice smooth edge to hold on to. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, I'm really glad I picked this thing up. Anyway, that's pretty much it for the unboxing first impressions. First impressions are this is pretty awesome. If you haven't picked one up and you're thinking about it, you definitely should pick one up. This is good stuff. I'm definitely excited to carry this, and it's my first L-Max blade too, so I'm kind of curious to see how that fares and how it holds up and such. You know, with all my batoning and tree chopping. I'm just kidding. It's just going to open boxes. A lot of whole pile of Amazon boxes over here for my wife that are in this guy's future. Well, as always, if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Do you have one? If you got some of the other versions, do you like it? Pros and cons. And as always, I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you on the next one.